This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Christine Jones. Welcome to the lovely gated community of Hawks Point, and welcome home to 905 Peregrine Hill Place. This popular Lennar model, the Corsica, features a 3-car tandem garage and a well-thought-out floor plan which maximizes every square inch, from the great room design with open kitchen to the split floor plan offering great privacy to the primary suite. Speaking of which, the nicely appointed primary suite includes his and hers closets, a spacious primary bath with a garden tub, and a separate walk-in shower. The kitchen is equipped with all stainless energy-efficient GE appliances, 42 maple cabinets in express with crown molding, and granite counter tops. This home has tile in all wet areas, carpet in 3 of the 4 bedrooms, 2 faux wood blinds, and a spacious screened lanai opening to the fenced backyard. And if you enjoy a little gardening, you will love the backyard with all the area set up for planting your vegetables. There is also a mature banana tree and a little cane patch. Hawks Point offers outstanding amenities including a refreshing community pool, a clubhouse with fitness center, a playground, a dog park, and a large gazebo ideal for a nice picnic after some pool time. This community is within 30 minutes of Tampa and Bradenton, and approximately 45 minutes to St. Pete or Sarasota. And since it's less than 5 minutes to I-75 and Highway 41, you're just a hop, skip and a jump away from all the amazing beaches, restaurants, shopping and entertainment. Schedule your appointment to see this lovely home today. For more information, review the details below.